A piece of iron nail was left outdoors during rainy days. After some time, its surface turned reddish brown. What process has taken place? Is it letter A, corrosion or rusting? Letter B, fermentation. Letter C, combustion. Or letter D, evaporation? What is our choice? And of course, sumpak na choice natin is corrosion or rusting. Ang problema lamang po natin dito kapag wala yung or rusting, di ba? And so dito, nakita natin, rusting to, no? Nagkaroon siya ng rust, di ba? Kinalawang, kumbaga, no? Kapag yung corrosion lamang nakita natin, no? Wag po tayong palilito, that would be pagkakalawang, no? So corrosion or rusting, ating hinahanap. Fermentation, okay? So corrosion or rusting again, oxidation, no? Oxidation of iron when exposed to water and oxygen. Ang fermentation natin is breakdown using your microorganisms. Ito po yung ginagamit kapag nagawa tayo ng alak, di ba? So yung grapes mo, lalagyan mo ng yeast, no? That's fermentation para mag-breakdown siya at ma-turn siya into wine, okay? Ang combustion naman po, this is the scientific term for burning. Okay, pagkasunog, that is combustion. Evaporation, napag-usapan po natin ito kanina.